The WF33 4K camera drone features an impressive 4K ultra-high-definition camera, allowing users to capture breathtaking aerial photos and videos with remarkable clarity. With its advanced 5G transmission, the drone offers real-time first-person view, and the built-in display on the controller means there is no need for a smartphone. Equipped with GPS-assisted navigation, the drone ensures stable hovering and precise flight control, and the auto return to home feature adds an extra layer of security. The high-efficiency brushless motors contribute to a smoother and quieter flight experience, and the 2 rechargeable batteries extend the flight time to an impressive 40 minutes. The foldable design of the drone makes it highly portable, and beginner-friendly features such as auto takeoff and landing, altitude hold, and follow-me mode make it perfect for new pilots. Weighing under 249 grams, the drone is lightweight yet durable, making it a convenient choice for both casual users and enthusiasts alike.